Hey guys, welcome to the another vlog. So here today I'm gonna introduce you a very special person in my life, and that's my bestie Shifa. So she is here. Hi everyone, and happy Eid to you all. Yeah. So today we have celebrated Eid and had some really yummy sevaya, and all credit goes to your mother. So we had celebrated Eid, that's why we are in this attire right now, and after having all those fun, so we are just lying down, had nothing to do. So here we are with a fun segment, and she is going to tell you what it is about.
So today we are going to try a blindfold makeup challenge and we are really excited about it.
Okay guys, so मैं तैयार हूँ, तुम्हारे हाथों भूत नहीं बनने के लिए।
मैं भी तैयार हूँ. So
Okay.
first we have to remove our makeup. As you can see,
We are full of makeup. So yeah, we are all here with all the cosmetics, and let's see what she is going to do with my face.
अब मैं तुम्हारा फेस खराब करूँगी, मैं तुम्हारा कचरा बनाने वाली हूँ. सारे बदले ले लो आज. Actually हमारी कभी लड़ाई तो नहीं है.
You never told, no?
Only once.
Yeah, only
बच्चों वाला
पता नहीं
impact.
क्या. Yeah, सच में it's really difficult, but it seems to be like easy, yeah. First, I'm going to apply base.
Squeezing my face.
Because it's like lemon, juicy.
So you're going to taste it.
No, not that. I'm going to apply some base powder. How do you open it?
So you want me
No,
to
no,
help
no,
you?
I'm not getting any sponge. So instead of sponge, I'm using this brush. After that, I
You
will
have to apply
apply.
makeup only on face, not on my hands.
Okay, I'm really sorry for that. So after this, I will apply, this blush. And I don't know why I always use this mid one, not this one. But today I will try this one.
Because it's my face, not yours.
Actually, I remember all the colors where they are situated, na? Let me contour your face. And we don't have contour. See, कितनी गरीबी है, बहुत ज़्यादा. After that, I will apply. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Oh my god, I'm really scared, man.
You're applying eyeliner like an eyeshadow.
Next one is like mascara.
Are you doing? You have to apply mascara on my eyelashes, not on my eyebrows.
Sorry. Come closer. मुझे हंसी आ रही है. मुझे अपना याद
I don't know why are you applying everything at wrong place. Lipstick on my teeth.
और पास हो यार.
कभी भी तुझे मेकअप लगाने वाली कभी भी.
I will try to give another shade and
Just like destroy my face.
यार फैशन है दो लिपस्टिक लगाकर एक कलर.
Oh my god, this is not fashion. This is fashion disaster.
कैमरा दिखाओ.
Oh my god, now I think you're doing it intentionally, okay?
I'm enjoying like a painting. So now I will open my.
See, I did it better than you. Look at my face. It's just.
Ouch. आँखें खुली. हाँ अब देखो.
This is horrible.
लाइनर बनाने की पूरी कोशिश की है. इतना ही है ना? बोलो कितनी उंगलियां हैं?
Like base primer. I'm going to apply it first.
अभी तक तो सही है.
How much you will apply?
Shifa, it's looking really nice. Seriously, really nice. Hats
Thank
off.
you.
Hats off. You're the makeup artist. Very professionally you were applying.
Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself.
Yeah, you should be proud of yourself. Oh, wow. Hilarious work. Yeah, I'm very much proud of you. I loved it.
Wow.
Okay, next what you're going to apply? The red one?
Okay, the red. I love red.
Me too. But after this, I will hate this.
I'm not able to recognize the lips.
It's my nose. It's done. Almost done. Shifa, my lips are very tiny. Don't spread all over my face. छोड़ मुझको. Let's see what's your creation over my face. Are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Open it. कोई बोलना चाहोगी? बोलो.
It's horrible.
मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हो तुम तो. कसम से बता रही हूँ मुझे ना
Blindfold.
आंखों से माता रानी और नीचे से ये हनुमान जी वाला ये सब लग
I
रहा
think
है.
you should be proud of me.
Yeah, I'm really proud of her. So I will not say I enjoyed this segment, but yeah, it was really fun. So guys, if you like my video, then give us a thumbs up and